Health officials have embarked on a quest to retrofit elderly residential institutions, health and wellness facilities to become more resilient to natural hazards and climate change. The government contracted AIG Construction Limited, Lawrence Associates Limited, and Phoenix Construction Limited to retrofit 16 facilities to make them greener and safer through the Smart Strengthening Healthcare Facilities in the Caribbean initiative. On Thursday, 12 of the 16 facilities were handed over to the Health Ministry.
These smart facilities stand out from the rest in that they are now environmentally friendly and resilient to natural disasters. They also mitigate climate change in that the buildings can withstand climatic conditions that would allow the health facility to continue operations, providing continuity of service following a disaster.
Social Empowerment Minister Joachim Henry says not only infrastructure are impacted by natural disasters, but also the healthcare workers who care for patients.
When we speak of our vulnerable population and smart buildings, if you, the persons who provide the care at these health centers during disasters, you are not safe, you are vulnerable, then it makes it difficult for you to serve other persons. And therefore, as we reflect on the adaptation and having smart buildings, we speak of the vulnerability of those who provide services as well.
St. Lucia is a beneficiary of the UK Foreign Commonwealth Development Office and PAHO Smart project.
We know what the weather is like, just look at the rain we've had in the last week, plus the disasters and shocks that routinely take a toll on the lives and livelihoods of people in the Caribbean. Climate change is increasing the risks and the ripple effect of that weather and the repeat disasters that erode infrastructure and the capacity to recover. Yet at all times, health facilities to treat the sick and injured are absolutely critical. And this SMART programme, as has been so well described, has been about upgrading these health facilities and wellness facilities so they're safer and more resilient, greener, using less energy and more efficient, and recover faster from catastrophic events so those essential services can be maintained and sustained.
The 12 smart facilities included a Comfort Bay Senior Citizens Home, New Beginnings Transit Home for Children, as well as the wellness centers at Vieux-Fort, Bexar, Entrepot, Lafargue, Labrie, Monchy, Morgouge, Richfort, Saltibus, and Tirocher Castries. The 3 other upgraded healthcare centers are Monrepo, Deriso, and Bellevue Wellness Centers. A full smart design for the Leclerc Wellness Center was also provided to the Health Ministry. Gina Filippi, HTS News Force.